Now we can deal with the individual jigget. First, remove the slaughter tag. It's always useful to keep because it has all our information required about the carcass. What we'll do now is just remove the chump from the leg or jigget, keeping the leg nice and square. Make a mark and then just saw through. Taking care not to saw all the way through the meat, just through the bone. Follow that through, and again with everything else, just remove any sawdust. Just remove the little flap of meat there and a piece of gristle across. What I want to take out now is the H-bone. Just carefully using the tip of the knife to follow around the bone. Keeping the knife against the bone at all times. Through the socket joint. To take that H-bone out fully. Just need to trim this up. We have a sheet of thin connective gristle across the top. We just need to take off and trim down any excess fat. Just checking there, a little bit of blood meat, a little bit of excess fat and gristle, trimmed off. It's nice and clean now. Before stringing that, we just need to check around the knuckle or the shank, cutting through the Achilles, and I want to larger trim the end. So we're just marking around, nice straight line, and then we're just going to bone out the end of the shank and then we saw off the main knuckle part of that bone. So it's just cleaning that shank up and moving the knuckle. And again, just important that we remove any sawdust from the meat. So now we've removed the H-bone and larder trimmed the shank end, we just need to put a couple of strings around. And there we have our whole jigget or leg of lamb. Or of course we can cut it into two. Bearing in mind that we only saw through the bone and not through the meat, and remove any sawdust that we've accumulated. There's a half jigget or leg.